Hi, in this tutorial we talk about how we can have uh, we can display only a specific number of lines, for example only two number of lines, or we have several lines mode, for example some mode for high, some mode for no for low. We want just show, for example, three lines on top and two lines on bottom. So how we can do? Let's we define first. Let's we say our up condition. For example, if a close is higher than uh, previous high, for example, and our done condition if close is lower than previous low. So we say if up condition, so draw a line that new, and bar index, for example high, bar index plus, for example 5 and high. If done condition, copy this and just change it to low, and also we added here color green. Okay, as you see here, we have when our close is higher than previous high, we have some blue line, or it's better we change it to green for top, and for bottom we change it to red. Okay, and when we have a color lower than previous low, we have red line. Great. So how we can restrict this? How we can display, for example, only 5 green line and only, for example, 2 red line? Yes, we add an input number of green input dot int, for example 5, and this is the number of reds. So let's do this. Let's implement this. We define to array, we var our green equal to array that new line, because this is line, and another for red. Okay, and also we define them as, we don't need, but we can define them. For example, we can write here var line green line equal to now, and here we can reassign it, but I think here we don't need, but it's more professional if we do this, so I do. Okay, so here we say we write array dot push, and r green, this is this array that have we declared it, which we declared it, array green, and our value is green line. We need it, we need to define them as variable. So here we insert our line into this array. We do same for red, push r red and our red line. Okay, so we say if our array size is more than our numbers, delete first one. What I mean from numbers is this thing. So we write here if array that size of which array are this array is higher than number of greens array that get a green which index 0 that delete it. Okay, it delete our line, and again array that remove our green which one 0 index, it remove, okay, it delete line from chart, it remove line from array, so we can add new. Okay, so for example here if our size is 5, no, our size is here 4 because we removed it. Okay, we write same for red, just we change this to our red and we change it to number of reds. Okay, we check, as you see now here we have just 2 red line because this, and just 5 green line. If I change this 2 to 3, you will see we have a line here. Okay, a 3 line here. So you understand how to restrict, how to display only a specific number of lines.